Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Dola app, Dola AI, right? So first thing you have to do is go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and install the app into your phone. So once you do that, you're going to have this interface, and you either have to sign in with your Facebook, Google, or phone number. So I'll be going with Google because I don't need stress. Signing up with your Google is way more easier. You just get to immediately sign in and you're in, right? So next thing, you have to confirm that you're more than 18 and up to 18. So you get all this notification. You have to allow and the rest of that. So now I've created an account because I signed in with my Google. So all my information have been put into it already. So this is the Dollar AI. So all you need to do is actually just type in, just like ChatGPT. You can just say you can type in and say what's a car, what is a car, and it's going to respond to you very fast. See, it's loading, searching the web, and voila, it's just explained. And it always is a self-propelled road vehicle primarily designed for transporting. You can see it actually have a voice. It can actually talk to you, so you can do homeworks, edit pictures, read files, translate, and the rest of that. So let's go and explore more about the app. So you can recommend main things to you: future recognition, education, game and anime, characters, and rest of that. And you can get all your notification here, and this profile. You can see all the images you created right here, so it's very easy. So you can see this is actually how to use the Dola app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get my tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.